Hello friends, in first and second video we have studied chapter number 1, some basic concept of chemistry. Some portion remains there, so in this video we will complete total chapter. Now we will start molar mass. The mass of 1 mole of a substance, that may be element or compound, in grams is called as molar mass. The molar mass of any element in gram is numerically equal to atomic mass of that element in unit. See, for example, hydrogen element, its atomic mass is 1 unit and its molar mass is 1 gram for a 1 mole. Means atomic mass value and molar mass value are same, only their units are different. See second example, carbon, its atomic mass is 12 unit and its molar mass is 12 gram per mole. Oxygen, atomic mass is 16 unit and molar mass is 16 gram per mole. Nitrogen, atomic mass is 14 unit and molar mass is 14 gram per mole. These are the example of element. Now see next table. Here examples of substance or compounds are given with their molecular mass and molar mass. See first example, oxygen gas O2. Its molecular mass is 32 unit. Molar mass means only unit changes, numerical value remain same. So its molar mass is 32 gram per mole. Water, its molecular mass is 18 unit and molar mass is 18 gram per mole. Sodium chloride, its molecular mass is 58.5 unit and molar mass is 58.5 gram per mole. So in this way, any element or compound, their atomic and molecular mass are written in unit and molar mass are written in gram per mole. So molar mass value remain similar like atomic mass, only unit changes. See some numerical. Example number 1. Calculate the number of moles and molecules of urea present in 5.6 gram of urea. How to solve this? See the solution. Here given mass of urea 5.6 gram. So to calculate molecular mass. Molecular mass of urea formula is NH2CO NH2 is equals to, as here 2 nitrogen elements are present, so 2 into average atomic mass of nitrogen plus 4 hydrogen, 4 into average atomic mass of hydrogen, 1 carbon and plus 1 oxygen atomic mass. So 2 into 14 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 into 12 and 1 into 16. Total becomes 60 unit. In this way, molar mass of urea is 60 gram per mole. Now, to calculate number of moles, this is only molecular mass of urea and we need to calculate moles number and number of molecules. So to calculate number of moles, formula is mass of urea in gram divided by molar mass of urea in gram per mole. Here mass of urea given is 5.6 gram. Its molar mass calculated is 60 gram per mole. So after calculation, result is 0.0933 mole. So this is the number of moles of urea present in the compound. Now number of molecules. To calculate number of molecules, we have to multiply number of moles to Avogadro constant or Avogadro number. Here number of moles are 0.0933 and Avogadro constant is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules for a mole. See here, then result came 0.5618 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. After conversion, we will get 5.618 into 10 raised to power 22 molecules. Hence, number of moles found here are 0.0933 mole and number of molecules of urea are 5.618 into 10 raised to power 22 molecules in 5.6 gram of urea. Next topic is moles and gases. Many substances exist as gases. Now to find the number of moles of these gases, we can't use the mass of gas. So here convenient to use volume of the gas. Chemist have deduced from Avogadro law that 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 dm cube at STP. At STP means standard temperature and pressure, that is 0 degree Celsius or 298 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. So 1 mole of substance means 1 mole of any gas has a 22.4 dm cube volume, and this volume is known as molar volume of a gas. See formula, number of moles of a gas is equals to volume of gas at STP by molar volume of gas. Now volume of gas at STP divided by molar volume means 22.4 dm cube per mole. Hence number of molecules equals to number of moles into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules per mole. Here one note is there. IUPAC system has recently changed the standard pressure to 1 bar, means up to now we are using 1 atmospheric pressure, so we can use 1 bar. Under this new STP condition, the molar volume of a gas becomes 22.71 liter per mole. By using this formula, we will solve sample problem. See, calculate the number of moles and molecules of ammonia gas in a volume of 67.2 dm cube measured at STP. Solution C. Volume of ammonia at STP given is equals to 67.2 dm cube. We know that molar volume of a gas is 22.4 dm cube per mole. Hence, number of moles equals to formula is volume of the gas at STP by molar volume of gas. Hence, here volume of gas given is 67.2 dm cube divided by its molar volume 22.4 dm cube per mole. Result will be 3 mole. Hence, 3 number of moles of ammonia gas are present in 67.2 dm cube volume. Now, to calculate number of molecules. Number of molecules equals to number of moles into Avogadro number. Number of moles are 3 into Avogadro number. So, result will be 18.066 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. So, in this way, we have completed our first chapter, some basic concept of chemistry. So, whenever we are studying chemistry, we need to know what is the mole, atomic mass, average atomic mass, molecular mass, molar gas, their different formulae. So, in this way, we have submitted it. Thank you.